pork shoulder, my own rub that I made, my injector, my famous barbecue sauce, half apple cider vinegar, apple juice, and I'm gonna start injecting the marinade into the pork shoulder, and then we're gonna smoke it after. And Jaden is making a funny face on the pork shoulder. Wait. Now after we put the rub on, we want to coat it with yellow mustard, because why? Yellow mustard breaks down the fat. Also gives it a little flavor as we're cooking. And it also seals and keeps in the rub into the meat. Okay, now we're gonna soak the wood chips about 15 minutes, right? Good job. Okay, add more. I need a lot more than that.
Oh, you need a lot
Yeah, you gotta dump it in there. Not the bag like that. Dump the bag. Dump the chips in there. Come on. We smoking. We smoking now. Okay. We're at 151 now. I think we're gonna stop it now. Let it rest for 10 minutes. That's my pork shoulder. Liquid. Got the chips in there on the coal. Hickory chips I used for smoking. And I think I'm about 4.5 hours in, so I'm at 151 now, so I think that's pretty good. With this Weber grill was half choco on that side. On this side,
thank you everyone for tuning into my channel.
half apple juice,
Cooking with Joe, a piece
also
in the pit.
in the aluminum foil, I did the hickory chips so I can get a good smoke flavor off the pork shoulder that I did. My pork shoulder is done.